Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing what is dependency injection. So, dependency injection literally means that you're injecting dependencies. And what is dependency? Dependency means that it's an another class that your class required to function. Suppose you have a custom class and your custom class fetches data from a database object. Then this database object is the dependency. And injecting the dependency means that you're pushing the database object to the custom class from outside. So instead of creating a new instance of the database object using the new operator, you can pass the database object as a parameter to the constructor of the class. This will inject the dependency to your class. So this is what dependency injection is. And why do we want this dependency injection? Suppose you are planning to e- design a new laptop. Your laptop will require USB port. The USB port, you can either create your own custom USB port and implement in each of your laptops. But rather than focusing more on the implementation of the USB port, you can use a ready-made USB from the providers and install it to your laptop so that you can more focus on the implementation and design of the laptop. This way, you are decoupling the implementation of USB port and you're more focusing on the implementation of your laptop. Similarly, the dependency injection decouples the class from its dependency implementation. It uses the principle of dependency inversion and which states that the code should be more abstract and not focus on the concrete implementation of the dependencies. So this makes the code more modular, easy to modify, reusable. So suppose you have a set of class and your class depends on a set of dependencies, then how will you figure out which dependency your class depends on and how to instantiate those dependencies? This can be done using the dependency injection container. The dependency injection container has a map of dependencies that your class needs along with the logic to create dependencies if they have not yet created. So every time you ask for a dependency, the map will figure out which dependency to use and container will check if it has already created the dependencies. If it has, it will use them, else it will create, store and return it to you. So instead of creating all the dependencies yourself, you ask the container to create a new instance for you. It will then solve the dependencies, construct the object and return it to you. This way, your code is more cleaner and maintainable. Yes, thank you.